Welcome guys, this is Infinix Note 7 Lite. Eject SIM tray from the phone. This is fingerprint scanner, so be careful while removing back cover. Remove back cover of the phone. Remove all the screws from ringer buzzer. Remove ringer buzzer. This is ringer connection point. Disconnect sub flex connector, which is connected from main board to sub board. Disconnect antenna wire, it is connected from main board to sub board. Remove pull out charging port and mic sub board. This is vibrator connection point. This is hands-free port. This is charging port. This is the mic. Install charging port and mic sub board in the body. Connect sub flex connector to the sub board. Connect antenna wire to the sub board. Install ringer buzzer on the sub board. Put back screws on the ringer buzzer. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.